I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need the game, dev mode, and mod tools installed before you touch anything. Start by backing up levels and the base scripts so you can revert. Once done, enable the console and dev mode. Load a simple test map with clear sky and water so you can observe changes. Now create a new mod folder in Teardown mods and add an init. Lua file. This begins the only safe route for generating in-game natural disaster events while keeping your original files intact. Now implement systems for each effect: wind, heavy rain, and falling debris. You write modular Lua. One module spawns objects, one applies forces, and one manages lifetimes. Use raycasts to detect collisions and particle emitters for visual rain. Control strength with global intensity variables so you can ramp storms up or down. Once modules exist, wire them to timers and map triggers so disasters activate at intervals, and use camera distance checks to avoid CPU spikes when off-screen. Finish by building a master event controller that sequences storms, sets durations, and enforces cooldowns. You trigger it via console commands, map triggers, or UI buttons. Make presets for quick testing. Once active, iterate. Tweak spawn rates, force magnitudes, and particle counts until the disaster feels right. If the simulation crashes or lags, stop immediately, consult the console for Lua errors, revert to your backup, and reduce spawned entities. This single troubleshooting tip will save your session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.